Good morning, traders. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you key levels, market structure, and setups I'm expecting or I'm watching on GBP USD, Euro USD, and GBP AUD. So if you are new to the channel, do not forget to show some love by subscribing, turning on the notification bell so that you receive notifications whenever I drop a new video on this channel. So let's get into the video. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So this is GBP USD, and it is exactly where we left it yesterday. You remember yesterday we came when prices were around here, and we're anticipating that price was around here, sorry, and we're anticipating that we should have a little dip close to 1.33 thousand, which actually did exactly what we anticipated. Okay, so now on GBP USD you are seeing a little buy to the upside. Yes, like I said, GBP USD is still very bullish looking at the overall market structure. So let's look at it. Like I told you guys, we created the last low here and the last high here, so we are still ranging around this zone. Looking forward to see if the buys will continue. But based on what we see on lower time frame like 4 hours, let's just mark out this other trend line from these highs, bring it down. Okay, so you realize that this pair has been trading within this triangle. Okay, so if it breaks to the downside, the sales will now be valid, and because by then maybe we'll be looking forward to break this structure or change this character. But if it continues to the upside, then we'll be looking forward to see price take out the previous structural high and continue giving us higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so let's move to the 4 hours to see exactly what the 4 hours time frame is telling us. On the 4 hours time frame, you see we are clearly in a downtrend because this is the last change of character we had somewhere around here. Let me just expand my chart a bit. So you realize this is the last change of character we had, and since price took out this character, since price did this change of character, we've not taken out the last high, okay, which means we've been trading below, telling us there is a possibility for us to continually make lower highs and lower lows. But now we came down here and did what we can see as equal lows. Okay, so these equal lows could still give us something like double bottom break, and then you see it's possible for us to see that. But as of now, we know nothing about what's happening, and we'll follow the market structure. So 4 hours is bearish, daily is bullish. Now let's look at the 1 hour, because this is actually where we also get our entries. Okay, so yesterday I told you guys, if we have to continue the bearish trend, then we should be expecting a good pullback to somewhere around 1.34500, okay, which is a mid-level, highly respected. So we go somewhere around here. Yeah, so somewhere around there we should be expecting price to pull up all the way to that point for us to now see if we can get a sell confirmation. We don't just sell randomly, we wait for a sell confirmation before we go. So like I told you guys yesterday, we were looking for buys on GBP USD to buy this little pullback, which I am currently in. Okay, and I will surely give the trade breakdown within the week. So we are currently in this trade. Why? Because price gave us, price gave us a clean pattern for those who understand pattern trading. 1, 2, 3, break, retest, buy. So I bought somewhere around here. I had a 4 hours engulfing candlestick here, and then I saw this pattern on the 1 hour, so we bought. Okay, that being said, guys, let's move straight to Euro USD. I think yeah, this is it, Euro USD. So on Euro USD, we anticipated for this move to pull up so that we can also have a sell. So like I told you, personally, I hardly trade euro. Let's just go up to the 4 hours. You see, we are creating lower highs and lower lows. We had this trend line on the 4 hours yesterday. Let's go to the daily to see if we can have another trend line. So let me take this off. Okay, let's look at the immediate price action. Okay, what's happening on the immediate short term? So these are equal lows. Okay, so on this time frame, this is what we have. We have something like this. Okay, so this is as well a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle. So let's look at what's been happening on the daily. You realize we have been trading within this zone, and now price might, if price breaks to the downside, we continue to the downtrend with the downtrend because we already have a daily downtrend confirmation, change of character. Okay, so we're expecting to see a pullback and continue to the downside, and that's exactly what we are seeing. The pullback is already occurring. Let me expand the four. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what we see on the 4 hours. We are already getting the pullback we have been waiting for. And now that we are seeing the pullback, are we supposed to just sell? No, we wait for our pullback to get deeper and we get a good sell confirmation to continue. Then on GBP AUD, something happened. Let's come down. This is it. I think this is the chart we analyzed yesterday. Good. We saw a break yesterday and we're expecting a deeper pullback, which did not happen. What happened? It gave us a 4 hours engulfing candlestick, closing above our trend line. For those who understand, this is a powerful confluence. Okay, so price actually closed above, came back, retested, and now we are having buys. Okay, so we are bullish on GBP AUD on the immediate 4 hours time frame. Like you can see, I told you we had a change of character here and we had this pullback, and now we are pulling up the way up. We had a little retest around this neckline or around this break of structure zone. You can pull it across. Okay, so we had a break of structure here and we had a retest, and price is continuing to the upside. So we should be looking more for buys on GBP AUD. So that's what we have for today, guys. Thanks very much for watching my videos, and if my videos are helping you, do not forget to show some love by subscribing. Click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you receive notifications for every new video that I share. And we currently have a free bootcamp going on. If you want to be part of that bootcamp, the links are in my description. You can join. It's free, completely free. You don't pay a dime to be part of it. So guys, love you so much. Looking forward to see you on our next video.